Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see about a very simple Instagram trick, which is how to call someone on Instagram. So without further delays, let's get into our video. So this is my Instagram account, and let's suppose that I just want to call this person. So I will just open his profile, and if I click on these three dots, then here you can see that we have no any option for calling. So what you have to do is just click on this message, and still here you can see that we have no any option for calling. So what you have to do is just send a message to this person first, and after sending the message you can see that we have got the option for call. So just tap on this. The audio call option is not available in Instagram. Hope to get that feature soon. So hope you have liked today's video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.